Video session 3 is linked to session 2 as it addresses an aspect of integrated planning and budgeting system. The session is also the first video which attempts to unbundle PFM jargon, often used in different and sometimes inappropriate contexts. What is fiscal space? It is the process of freeing public resources from lower to higher policy priorities. This process occurs during spending reviews on a periodic basis linked to the rolling exercise of medium-term expenditure frameworks. The creation of fiscal space under spending reviews requires a three-step process: identifying areas of highest priority, reprioritization of expenditures, delivery planning, and implementation. These three steps are the epitome of an integrated planning and budgeting system. Identification of areas of highest priority means revising the current implementation of strategic policy priorities and deciding whether new or better links between outcomes and spending are possible. The revision leads to the reprioritization of expenditures during budget preparation process, freeing resources to new or improved program areas. Finally, the two steps above require a clear delivery plan to remove obstacles both of political and technical nature to achieve fiscal space.